You say we're perfect, a perfect family. You hold us close for the world to see.
All right, that's good.
And when I say you're the only one I've ever loved, I mean those words true for me. But I know without my son, your love could disappear. I know it isn't fair, but I don't care, 'cause my love will still be here. Yay!
Yay, that was so good. I know that's a good take. I think I can definitely post that one. That's an Instagram take. Aha. It was so clear, so sweet. It sounds like you really meant it.
Yeah.
'Cause I know without my son, it just felt like, I was like, what she know? That's what I was thinking. What? So it was very convincing. So it's important that you, when you sing, that you draw them in. Because I know without my son, what? What's gonna happen? Okay, so let's go on to the second chorus.